Passive income can be a great way to help you generate extra cash flow, whether you're running a side hustle or just trying to get a little extra dough each month, especially as inflation rages throughout the economy. Passive income can help you earn more during the good times and tide you over if you suddenly become unemployed. Today I say you. How top 5 ways to earn passive income in 2022 to 23. First, we know that. What is passive income? You want to growth you every day and earn million. Click on subscribe bottom. Passive income is unearned income that is acquired automatically with minimal labor to earn or maintain. It is often combined with another source of income, such as a side job. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the easy way to earn passive income. How to earn from affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a marketing arrangement in which affiliates receive a commission for each visit, sign up or sale they generate for a merchant. 5 ways to earn from affiliate marketing program. 5 ways to earn more in an affiliate marketing program. Number 1. Choose affiliate programs wisely. Number 2. Be trustworthy. Number 3. Offer a bonus. Number 4. Create a variety of ads. And number 5. Understand your audience. Number 4. For earn passive income, create a blog or YouTube channel. Blogging industry mostly grow in some years. You can start any types of blog anything, but I recommended you just start PLS. You can leverage a free or very low cost platform, then use your great content to build a following. The more unique your voice or area of interest, the better for you to become the person to follow. Then draw sponsors to you. Number 3. Sell anything in online. If you have design skills, you may be able to turn them into a moneymaker by selling items with your printed designs on them. Businesses such as Cafe Press and Zazzle allow you to sell items such as t-shirts, hats, mugs and more with your own designs. Number 2. Create a course. Everyone have a different types of skills. You can make a course at anything. You are good in creating an audio or video course, then kicking back while cash rolls in from the sale of your product. Courses can be distributed and sold through sites such as Udemy, Skillshare and Coursera. And number 1. I personally recommend you invest yourself for learn a skill. It's give you lifetime passive income. Here you top 5 skill help you mac. 1. Blockchain development. 2. Web development. 3. Cloud computing. 4. Content marketing. Number 5. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence career paths. Machine learning developer. Data engineer. Software engineer. Data scientist.